You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it is normally said as mall, mall. In American English, however, it is generally said as mall, mall in American English, or mall in British English. And now you know. Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Did you get this? Let me know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video as well. It helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.